Dancer pose is actually a pretty challenging pose, so I often see people in my classes doing it incorrectly. So today I wanted to give you 3 key points to help ensure that you are doing dancer pose correctly. I'm Krista Oakes, and I am a yoga and meditation instructor, and each Monday I like to share with you a tip or an inspiration for living a mindful life. In dancer pose, you're holding on to your ankle. Now you could use a chair for support or a strap to get a hold of your ankle. But what so often happens is people just begin to fold. And really in dancer pose, there's 3 parts. You want to first send the toe back. You want to send the ribs forward and then lift the toe as if you're trying to touch your toe to the ceiling and go as far as you can. That supporting leg is straight and strong. And then push down to the floor. Use your core to come all the way back up. You should still really be open here. And then tuck the tailbone, bring the knee in, and slowly bring that foot down. There's really 3 separate portions of our dancer pose. The toe goes back, the chest moves forward, and then we fold forward. So notice when you would go into dancer pose, if you kind of stay crunched and kind of go over, you really want those 3 parts of pushing the toe back, sending the ribs forward, and then sending the toe up towards the ceiling. So if you want a more challenging pose, dancer's really a wonderful pose to try. Just keep these 3 points in mind when you're doing it. I hope you have a beautiful, peaceful day. Namaste.